Hey everybody, welcome to the Ridgeway World. I'm Jeff, you're not. Just heard the driveway alarm go off and Terry will be coming up here soon, but just wanted to let you know JT earlier had dropped off Pupper. She's going to be staying with us overnight, way it looks, and when I got in here, because I didn't get here right at the same time, Terry had a bunch of boxes sitting here from when she's moving like files and things from the shop, and I'm not saying it was Kate, I think it was John showing off that all these boxes were shredded, you know, shit everywhere. And so I was trying to clean that up before Terry got home. And the other thing was, yeah, you, John. John pissed like a actual puddle or like a pond of urine all over the floor in here. And usually these dogs are excellent. And, but I guess because we haven't seen Kate in a while, or I should say the puppies haven't seen Kate in a while, they were kind of excited, and I'm thinking John just showing off a bit, you know, may have done it. So why I got the camera on is I want to get Terry's, I'm not going to say reaction, but I seen something when I got home, and I'm just waiting for her to get home to see it, and, you know, I don't know how she's going to be, but, and, yeah, so I'm waiting. She should be in here in a minute. I know she ran to Boscov's and then after work, and then she had to come back to the shop to get more files to put in the car and then bring home so I can take care of them. But yeah, it's just one of them days. She's working a lot of hours trying to close up the shop, and then, you know, comes home and she's basically whooped bad. So, and speaking of the devil, hi honey, how are you?
What are we vlogging?
Not vlogging. I just wanted to get a little shot of Kate. You know, she's here visiting, and see how you're doing. You all right? You look a little washed out. Been a long day?
Tired and hungry. Did you make dinner?
No, I got subs. They're in the fridge. I told you I left work a little early today, so I picked some stuff up on the way home.
Hey, that's my shoe.
And not to rain on your parade a little bit, but there was a little mess around here when I got home, but it's all cleaned up, so you don't have to worry about it.
Oh, thank you. I'll tell you what. We have so many files at the shop. I have files that go all the way back into the 90s. I don't understand why I didn't throw them away.
Right.
Like, I'm so stupid, because now I have so many things to go through. And I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 file drawers of files. And
like I was telling everybody that you basically bring files home that need to be destroyed,
well,
that I burn in the...
social security numbers
right.
or anything important, I like it burned. Or I've been shredding, but
right.
it just takes so long to shred.
And I said after work you ran to Boscov's to look for some stuff, and then you came back to the shop to pick up more stuff before you came home. So
yeah, well, I didn't find anything.
Nothing good?
No.
No cabana wear for me or anything?
No.
So I didn't know, when you were walking up the back sidewalk, did you happen to notice anything?
Up when I was walking on the sidewalk?
The back sidewalk behind our house. Did anything pop out to you?
No. No. What is that?
That's what I wanted to see if it would catch your eye, and you know I don't miss a whole hell of a lot.
Is that, did you get me something?
No, I didn't get you anything.
You didn't get this?
No, I did not get it. Now, my first impression is that I thought you may have, so that's why I was just trying to see if it wasn't you, it caught your eye.
If this is a joke, right?
I
This
can't
is a
answer.
joke?
I can't answer that. It wasn't me. That's what I'm saying. Katie girl, stay over here, baby.
Did you see this?
No, I didn't see that one. I just seen it when I was walking up the back sidewalk.
Where's my ape? Where is my ape?
I did not see it either. The only thing
You
I
have
seen
got
was...
to be kidding me! This is a sick joke.
I agree with you. And before I jumped to any conclusions, that's why I wanted to see what if you've seen any.
This is supposed to represent my ape?
I have no idea what it's supposed to represent. That's what I don't understand.
Okay, this is
So
cruel.
what is that?
This is just cruel.
And then they got a little, what's that, a squirrel or a chipmunk or something?
It's a squirrel. I want my aid. Oh, you've got to be kidding.
I don't see it around here.
This is not funny.
So
This is
then
not
somebody
funny at
took this
all.
one, replaced it with this,
Huh?
because I didn't see that other one. John, stay over here.
I'm going in the house.
Yeah, this kind of getting chilly. Come on, Puffs.
This is very upsetting.
It's actually very bizarre, isn't it? And again, I didn't know if it was something that you might have gotten it, and I didn't want to say anything. That's
Why
why
would I do anything with my aid?
I didn't know if you
John!
moved it.
John!
Johnny's on a cat
He's on a
hunt.
scent.
Yep.
John, what are you doing?
Get over here.
Come on, let's go. John,
This is what Johnny does. He's on like a cat hunt too. He just is in his own world. Come on, let's go. Look, Terry's still pretty agile. Look. I know. See, this is normal Johnny. When he's showing off, and it's like when Kate comes here or anybody's messing with you, he'll just be walking ahead of you or running. All right. It's all good.
come on, puppies.
Katie girl and Tuna, come on in the house.
Right now.
All right. Well, you look spent.
What is this?
That's my crock. Come on, Kate, get in here. Katie girl, come on.
This is really starting to piss me off.
Well, I guess it would piss you off. Come on, Kate. You want a treat? Let's go. Come on, chick.
Are they coming? Come on, Kate, let's go. Kate, you want a treat? Come on, baby. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Here she comes. That's a good girl.
Yeah, if you're gonna get big head, Johnny, he'll come back. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but you've been eating cat stuff.
Take a seat. You know, you're all out of breath. You look like you're sickly. Are you all right?
I'm not sick. I've just been working a lot. And this is pissing me off. I don't believe it.
Look.
You don't think it's an evil spirit, do you?
No, I don't think it's an evil spirit.
Listen, hear me out.
Tuna, quit licking me.
Hear me out.
I'm hearing you.
We found a Miller High Life cat,
Okay.
right, behind the toaster.
Right.
Haven't had Miller High Life in over a year.
No, I
Have
agree with that.
cleaned behind the toaster.
Right.
Dad drank Miller High Life all the time.
Right. I don't think it's an evil spirit. And again, it was sitting behind the toaster right there, and we clean all the time, and that was her dad's favorite beer.
There's
so
been some very strange things going on. We always had the lights flashing all the time, but now
Oh, you jumped right the hell out of your hand.
But we had this cat, and then on the TV, I heard.
I'm listening. Just waiting for the big dog to get in here. Come on, John. Get in.
You know, sometimes I think this house is just chaos. It's just chaos.
It is chaos, especially when you got big dogs in here.
I had the TV, right?
Right.
I had the news on. There was
Right.
one soft-spoken person speaking on there. And then all of a sudden, I heard these voices.
Get naked, Terry. Is that what you heard? That was probably me.
Jeff,
Right.
I'm being serious. I heard, you were not here. I heard these voices, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the third thing that happened, this was all within 24 hours of your sister Robin. When I edited the video, there were orbs. Like there were lights. Like just, right?
Roy Orbison. Oh.
Hon, I I know I haven't been editing for a long time, but I have never seen those lights like that. And it's not like they were dust particles. They were shooting like really fast. I've never seen it
Do you think it's
before.
because Robin was mentioning how she played the Ouija board and she went to visit dead people?
So you're acknowledging that there are spirits?
No, I'm just joking because that's what I do. I told you, I'm skeptical.
What?
I'm skeptical of everything, but until I see it face to face in the flesh, then I might start to believe it. But I'm very skeptical.
Okay, but what if it's an evil spirit who's trying to make me think that it's Dad, and they're leaving things that might be related to Dad, like why they gave me the squirrel gnome, right? There was nobody on the camera that night, right?
It's somebody messing with us. They just know our system. They know what we do. It's just somebody. It's got to be somebody. That's it. I don't buy into the whole evil spirit, good spirit, wicked witch of the west, Glenda, the good witch of the north.
I mean, like, and right now, like, my mind is so frazzled. I've got, like, I can't even focus on one thing. There's, like 12 different things.
Well,
I'm juggling, and I didn't even know I knew how to juggle.
Right.
I'm like,
the reason you're going absolutely batshit right now is because you got the shop closing up. You talk about different little things. You got people messing with us, and it's getting in your head. Just let me check the camera, would you please? Please hold it. Hold.
yeah, and you know what?
Hold that one.
Speaking of cameras, hon, there's one right up there. See that one on the top of the corner?
Yeah, I put it there.
Okay, well, does it work? Mm-hmm. Well, you need to turn it on at nighttime because I'm telling you, there is something going on in this house.
We turned that one off not long after I put it in, remember? Because the night vision was screwing it up. So, give me a moment here. Code. Secondary code.
Wait a minute, are you saying you can't turn that camera on in the corner at nighttime to get in here? Well, I think you should because I think there's something in this house.
Front camera, back camera.
The back camera is going to pick up all the way to those trees.
It picks up all the way to the garage.
I'm zooming in. Look at them white legs.
They are white.
Are you kidding me? This camera picks all the way up to the garage.
This camera does, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I cut your head off.
That's all right. I got plenty of head to be cut off. It's okay.
Hon, I'm telling you right now, you're not going to find anything on the camera because it's a spirit.
It's not a spirit.
Well, if you don't find anything on the camera, it's definitely a spirit. Then you'll believe, right?
If there's nothing on my camera, then I would believe.
Well, how come you didn't?
Wait a minute. Maybe push it forward a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
What?
It ain't a spirit.